What's up, YouTube? It's Savage here, David.21, and today we playing Roblox. Yeah, you guys seen the title. I was just playing Breaking Point, but I just decided to make another video. So we're gonna be playing some. If y'all seen the title already, Flood Escape 2. This is round 2 of me playing Flood Escape because I was bad at it, and I'm not gonna be bad at it. And I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna play this in round 3 times. 3 times. Yep, 3 times, guys. 3 times. And my battery is at 3%. Alright, guys, I'm just gonna have to make this video short. I'm so sorry about that. Like and subscribe, please. And let's get into this and Stefan get out of my face. I'm gonna have to do 2 rounds. 2 rounds.
Bologna and cheese.
Stefan, what are you saying? Oh yeah, and I'd like to give a shout out to Stefan. He like his Supersonic Space Speed. He has a yeah, and he has a channel too. I want y'all to go like and subscribe to him and show him some love too, cause he's my brother, and I want you to show him some love too. And here we go. So like and subscribe to both of us, please. And whoever likes to subscribe to me, I'll give them a shout out. And whoever comes down in the video, then I'm giving them a shout out. And that's what I'm going to do to my other videos too. That's what I'm going to start doing right now. If you guys like and subscribe and comment down below, simple, and then I'll give you a shout out. And then say in the comments that and hit the bell. That way you don't hit nothing. That way you don't miss none of my videos. So hit the bell too. I'll give you a big shout out and then talk about you about like 10 seconds. Oh man, this level again. You get used to it. Backflip. Alright, get used to it. I'm gonna do this in first person. Again.
Isn't first person hard?
A little easy for me.
Oh. I didn't want to know if it wasn't. What the heck did Zach do?
I'm drowning. Oh wait, no, hold on, go.
Ow! You scallywag.
Gotta go fast. Here we go. Now let's go. Yeah.
Yeah, that could be like on it. Oh, don't you look at your other videos too.
Yeah, there should be an eye, and y'all should be able to go check out my other videos too. So do that, please, and I will appreciate that a lot. I will appreciate that a whole lot, and I just died. Stuff on me, be quiet. I was gonna take that just shot out. Frick! Hey, yeah, I'm gonna show y'all a secret just in case y'all didn't know. Oh shoot, I think the girl found it. Anyways, I'm going out here and show y'all a secret. Here, there's a secret here. And I'm gonna show y'all what y'all can do when I get to that part. There's a secret down here. I didn't know at first. I played Flood Escape millions of times and I haven't found no secrets, but this is one. I found one of the secrets. And I'm gonna kill myself over here. So what I'm getting to? Yeah, I never saw any secrets over here.
It's not like he went on somewhere to look for the secret.
Be quiet. Yes, I did, y'all. And y'all probably might hate me for that, but that's fine. I don't care. I'm savage. I don't care about things. I don't care. So, and
they miss savage, so they wouldn't care.
Yeah, I don't care. So hate me all y'all want, but y'all gonna be some haters. And I can't have haters on my YouTube channel. No, I can't.
Yeah, all of you.
I don't shout out haters. There we go. Come out.
You only shout out lovers.
Yeah, I wouldn't shout out people who like and subscribe to my video.
Who's our lovers?
Yeah. Oh shoot, they start without me, but I don't care. And my brother's one of the lovers.
I always watch his YouTube videos.
Yep. Shut up. He don't always watch my YouTube videos. He lies to y'all.
But sometimes I do.
No, he don't. He don't watch them at all. He don't watch them at all.
One of them, remember?
But he did comment down below and stuff. And I want y'all to do is say comment down below in my videos, please. And whoever does it first was the shout out, and I might be giving out something.
Hey.
I might be giving out something.
Hey, I am a ghost of Davy Jones. Davy Jones ghost. Have overpowered me. Ooh.
I need you. I'm on YouTube. You can't say that. I'm recording. You can't say that. Freak, my phone's on 2%.
So you're gonna have to end the video.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, my phone's about to die. As you can see, it's at 2%. Oh, hold on. I think I have time for one more. I ain't gonna disappoint my fans.
But if you don't, sorry.
My phone might die on me. Sorry, guys, but I'm gonna have to end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'm sorry.